Good evening, and I welcome you students for important question answer sessions. As we said that the main purpose is to give a revision of the course, and students should study more and more, and they should have a very high level of practice, concentration, focus for the coming examinations. Let us have some relieving stress exercises. Sit comfortably in the chair, relax your hands, relax your hands, relax your hands, relax, remove the stress from the hands, shake it clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, and now open your chest, inhale, inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, 5 times up and down. Inhale. All right, neck, right. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, down, up, down, up, down. Clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation of the neck. Release the stress, any tension, any stiffness from the neck before we start studying. Spinal cord should be erect, slowly inhale half, exhale half, slow and steady. Be gentle, be kind, be good. Remove the stress, stiffness. Reverse anti-clockwise, half inhale, half exhale. Come back, release your shoulders, release your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, tap your feet, tap your feet, tap your feet, tap your feet, tap your feet. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, okay. Now let us do some breathing. Breathe in, breathe out is very essential. That helps us a lot in relieving all the negative stuff from our mind and leads mind to relaxed state. And relaxed state is that state in which you can learn faster, learn more, and mind should be quiet and calm. So what will we do? We are going to do inhaling from the nostril and exhale with B, honey, B. So what is this B sound? There is a black bee in our country. It is named from that. So what will we do? Brahmari. So I have this 3 rounds we are going to take. It's a very good relaxing technique. I will close it. My 2 thumbs will close my 2 ears. Inhale as deeply as possible, and then you will exhale by the B sound. Okay, close your eyes, sit comfortably, spinal cord erect, feet touching the ground, relax. Inhale. Inhale as deeply as possible. Last round. Come back, sit comfortably, keep breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Focus on your breath, focus on your breath. Bring all the awareness to your breathing. Observe your breath. All the awareness on your breath, every stress, every tension, every distraction out of mind. Now you can fold your hand. Attitude of gratitude is the most essential thing in our life, that we are very thankful, we are grateful for all the things which we possess in our life. And there are people who have nothing, who are aware of that. So whatever we have, we thank you God, we thank you universe, we thank you environment. We are very, very grateful. Thanks, thanks, thanks. Now rub your two hands. Slowly and faster, faster. See the heating of the two hands, mechanical work converted into heat energy, healing energy. Like a field of the magnet, I put it on my face. And let the field of the magnet go to the entire body to heal myself. Keep breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Become aware of the vibrations taking place inside your body. Experience the transformation and gently massage your entire forehead, neck, nose, face, neck, and relax. And you open your eyes with smiles. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, come back, come back. We have improved our energy levels. High energy, the higher our energy, the better we learn. That's very essentially in every part of the field, whether you are a player or you are studying anything. And we should be relaxed, focus, set up an intention, our intention to study and focus and think before you answer the questions. Important to understand the question. If we don't understand the question, we will not be able to answer the question. And by this way, we are also revising a lot of chemistry from different chapters, from different parts. Wherever possible, questions can be asked. These questions can be changed, as I always say, and they can be put in many forms, many forms. It's up to the examiners how they put up the question. We should be prepared, and that's what we will do. Okay, notebooks, pen, colored pens, everything ready. Now energy is high, relaxed, deep relaxed state. Okay, we will begin. Do you have energy? Yes or no? Fast?
Yes, sir.
Are you relaxed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, focus then. Here are some of the important question answers are coming, students. Elemental silicon to be used as a semiconductor. Now let me watch each and every word. Which group is silicon?
Group 14.
14. Which period is this? Which period is this? We are trying to revise everything, student. You should be aware of everything now. As the time passes, we know more and more. Revision as well as understanding is very essential. Which period is this?
Silicon is in period 3.
This is a second period element. We know about it. So this is the third period. In third period, it will be there. And you know what these are the typical elements and what type of is a semiconductor. What is a semiconductor? What is a semiconductor, student?
Semiconductors which have conductivities between conductors and insulators.
You are aware of the Silicon Valley, which is of great demand for the after the electronic laptops and all your mobiles, everything, how much is used. Okay, students, now the question is elemental silicon to be used as a semiconductor is purified. Why do you need to purify?
Because it contains many impurities in the elemental form.
And as the use is there in electronic devices, then it will affect that badly. So what type of methods are used for purification in the chemistry purification? You have read about refining of the metals, all these things now coming in refining of the metals. Different methods have been used for refining now, which is
Flotation process, electrolysis, zone refining. Which is the correct answer here? How is the refining of silicon done?
It will be done by zone refining.
It's very important. Silicon, they have asked so many times. Silicon zone refining. What is the principle of zone refining?
It is based on the principle that the impurities are more soluble in the melt than in the solid state in metals.
Because you have seen different methods are being used. Mond's process is asked repeatedly, and so many where volatile compounds are being formed. Different methods have been discussed in the chapter of the metals and metallurgy. So based on that, next question is there. The type of bonding present in tetravalent compounds of carbon group 14 element is the type of bonding. What type of bonding is present?
So it should be -4.
Tetravalent. How -4 will be there? Type of bonding present in tetravalent compounds of group 14 elements. Group 14 elements. Carbon. What type of compounds are being formed? Bonding. What is the bonding here? Covalent. It is not. If I say CH4, what happens here? CH4. What is the story? Which is,
It will be covalent bonding in CH4.
yes. Here he is not given anything about that, but he is talking of the -2, +2, -4. These are the oxidation states of the carbon. Something missing here. Okay, anyway, let us go for the next something. We have to be. Next question. CO is absorbed by CCl4 pyrogallol ammonical solution of cuprous chloride chloroform.
It is absorbed by ammonical solution of cuprous chloride.
Ammonical solution of cuprous chloride. What is the product formed? Absorbed cuprous chloride. CCl4 pyrogallol chloroform. No. Next question. The use of diamond as a gem depends on diamond is used as a gem. What is a gem?
Which are used in jewelry.
What is the property which is important here? What do you mean by what
Uh,
is the
high
property?
refractive index.
What is the purpose of high refractive index? What it will do?
Because of high refractive index, it will shine.
It will shine. You know, the diamonds glitters. The property of the diamond. What is the most important property of the diamond? Why? When the refractive index is high, what happens? What phenomena take place? Now this is involving some physics here.
Total internal reflection will take
And
place.
that is the reason that the diamonds glitter, they glitter. See, That was the idea here. Otherwise, what property will be used? There is a this is the purest form of carbon. All are correct. Otherwise, in their own way. Okay. High refractive index. The result of that is that the diamonds glitters. They shine with brilliant shining is there in the diamonds. Next question. Fire extinguisher contain a bottle of H2SO4 and fire extinguisher. Now their questions are coming on fire extinguisher, students, because you know nowadays there are a lot of fires. You have experienced a lot of fires in forest fires taking place in many countries. So it's a very difficult task to extinguish fires in certain places. So
It should be NaHCO3,
sodium bicarbonate is used, then you know what gas is evolved.
CO2 gas.
Carbon dioxide gas is used, student. Fire extinguishers. Questions are coming on fire extinguishers. Okay. Next question is coming. Which of the following potassium ferricyanide is potassium ferricyanide? There is a potassium ferrocyanide. There is a potassium ferricyanide.
Sir, C. It should be C.
K3 FeCN6. K4 FeCN6 potassium ferrocyanide. Potassium
Ferrocyanide.
ferricyanide. What are the colors of these? Important. Many times these are used for colored. What colors are formed? There is something called Persian blue also. What is the name of that compound? What is the formula of that compound? Such questions have been put up so many times in the coordination compounds. We have discussed dyes, colors, highly colored complexes. There are compounds like Persian blue, which was used long back as important color. What are those? What are the formulas of those? They are important. They can be asked. This question has been asked. Formula of Persian blue. So you may study about them and read about them. So many questions are coming on the colors of coordination compounds. Now the next question, a mixture of carbon monoxide, hydrogen and hydrocarbon. Carbon monoxide, hydrogen and hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon can be even CH4 or CnH2n plus 2. What are they called? Water heal me. I can sip water. Water has energy. Water gives me energy, student. Water heals me. Pure water heals me. I sip water during the work I do. It helps. Now what is the formula? Producer gas. We have studied producer gas, water gas, semi-water gas. Four choices are given.
Gas, CO plus 2.
All important. Sometimes they ask the formula of producer gas, water gas. These are important. Water shift reaction. Important reactions. Water gas. Producer gas. Water shift reaction. All this should be known to the students and must be studied. Important.
Sir, it should be CO plus N2, CO plus H2. CO plus H2 plus N2. Sir, it should be carbureted water gas.
We must know all these formulas and they can be asked in the paper. Which chapter you have studied this? Which chapter you studied all this?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. So in hydrogen, they ask such questions. Next question is formula of tear gas. Now tear gas is used a lot. It has great uses. So what will be the tear gas?
Sir, it will be none of these.
None of this.
Yes, sir, because tear gas formula is CCl3NO2.
What is this CI3NO3?
This is Cl3NO3. It should be CCl3NO2. Then it can become tear gas. Otherwise, it will not be.
What is this N2O used for? What is N2O used for? You know what is this gas? Phosgene?
Phosgene. Second one is phosgene.
Phosgene. So here correct answer is none of these. The phosgene, you know, it is a very poisonous gas.
Yes, sir.
You have studied phosgene gas. What do you have heard about laughing gas and other things? Next question is coming. The molecule having zero dipole moment. Now the questions are coming on dipole moment, students. How do you decide the dipole moment?
We'll draw the structure and see if they all cancel each other.
Dipole moment, dipole is a vector quantity. So, okay, then draw it and find out if you know the shapes of these molecules. You know the geometry of the molecules. Do it. What is
Sir, it will be CCl4.
what is the geometry of CCl4? What is the geometry of CCl4?
Tetrahedral.
Tetrahedral. This is sp3 hybridization. Tetrahedral. It is a symmetric molecules. Their dipoles will cancel each other. They will cancel. And the net value will be 0. Resultant will be 0. Glass reacts with HF to produce. Such question was asked earlier also. Glass HF is very reactive. It's talking about reaction of HF with glass. When HF reacts with glass.
It will form H2SiF6, A option.
A option. So the reaction of HF with glass. Important student. Next question is coming. When steam is passed over red hot coke and steam is passed over red hot coke, what will be the products formed? Water, gas,
It should be CO plus H2.
red hot. What will you get?
CO plus H2.
CO plus H2.
D.
This is the correct answer. Carbon dioxide, sometimes very easy questions can be given to the student. It is not that all the questions are of same level. Carbon dioxide is used for extinguishing the fire because it is colorless, neither combustible nor water of combustion. High critical temperature, solid state, it is called dry ice. What answer we are giving here?
It should be B option.
There is no problem in answering this question. Is very easy, and sometimes questions will be very easy also. Okay, that's the way the things go. Next question is coming. What is the compound form when acetaldehyde is reacted with lithium aluminum hydride?
It should be C2H5OH.
What is the formula of acetaldehyde?
CH3CHO.
And you have lithium aluminum hydride acts as a reducing agent. So what it will do? It will convert aldehyde to alcohol. What is the alcohol? C2H5OH. No problems. Next question, the ability of substance to assume two or more crystalline structures, is called amorphism, diamond, graphite. Ability to assume two or more crystalline structures.
Sir, it will be amorphism. Sir, it should be none of these.
No, these are not correct. Two or more crystalline structures. Many substances show that they can exist in two or more crystalline structures. Next question is coming. The shape of tetrahalides of group 14 element is tetrahalides of group 14. Group 14 elements tetrahalides. What will be the shapes?
Tetrahedral. A.
Tetrahalide, tetrahedral, we know. What is the shape of CCl4? Tetrahedral, tetrahedral. Next question. Maximum ability of catenation is shown by
Carbon. Maximum catenation carbon.
catenation. Sulfur, no, carbon. What is the reason? Catenation of carbon is so important. What are the reasons of that, student? That can be asked in the exam. What are the reasons? Why carbon shows high catenation?
Because it can form strong covalent bonds.
Strong covalent bonds. There are many compounds, many elements which can form strong covalent bonds. Is that the appropriate answer? The answer, that's not an appropriate answer. There are so many reasons which have been given. What about the carbon-carbon bond enthalpy? What is this bond energy?
It is carbon-carbon bond energy is high.
So you have to look up the, there could be many, there are many reasons have been given, but which is the most important reason? Because they can give 4 reasons why the carbon shows catenation. Reasons are important. Without that, how will we answer questions? We should not guess, because we already know carbon is forming largest number of compounds here. Next question. Lead and tin are extracted from their chief ores. Lead and tin by electrolysis, self-reduction and carbon reduction, self-reduction and electrolysis. How they are extracted?
It will be self-reduction and carbon reduction. C.
What are the chief ores of lead and tin?
For lead, it is PbS, and for tin, it is SNO.
What are the names of those ores?
PbS is galena, and
To study all these ores, and their names are important. Many times questions have been put up on them. Important ores of different metals. Their names are important. Sources from which we extract them. All this is important. Next question. Which of the following is used in the preparation of aerated water? What is aerated water?
carbon dioxide is used.
Soda water. What is that? Soda water is used a lot. A lot of people like soda water. What it contains?
CO2.
CO2, that we know so well. Carbon dioxide is dissolved in water. Next question is coming. Silicon has the characteristics of a non-metal, metal, metalloid, none of these.
It has characteristics of metalloid.
Metalloid, we know it so well, no problem in this question. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity because
Because it has mobile electrons.
that is not a difficult question. Already you know the structure of graphite, sheet type of structure and sp2 hybridization. They have got free electrons. Next question 53. Sodium nitroprusside when added to alkaline solution of sulfide ion. Sulfide ion. What is a sodium nitroprusside test in chemistry lab? Sodium nitroprusside test is used for testing which ions? In
It
the
is used for sulfur.
sulfur. What is sulfur? Sulfur is not any ion.
Sulfide ions. Sulfide ions.
Sulfide ion. What color is obtained?
It should be purple color.
You know the reaction.
Yes, sir.
Okay, learn the reaction important. Certain tests which are important and which produce very important characteristic colors have been asked many times. The reaction should be known to the student or you will be confused because all the colors will look to be quite close to each other. Next question is coming. Which one of the following allotropic forms of carbon is isomorphous with crystalline silicon? With crystalline silicon.
It will be diamond.
What do you mean by isomorphous?
Which are similar in shape.
Shape.
Structure. Closely similar in structure.
Structure. Do you know the structure of diamond? You have seen so well. They are written so much about that.
Three-dimensional tetrahedral structure.
Structure of diamond, structure of graphite, all this. Next question, coal gas. Coal gas is not a good fuel, is not used for lighting purpose, burns with non-smoky flame, burns with smoky flame. Coal gas. So many questions on gas. Fuels. Fuels are very important. So they will be asking some question on fuels.
So
What is coal gas? So first we should know what is coal gas.
It burns with a non-smoky flame.
No, it is not a good fuel. When it will burn, it will burn. Why there will be no smoky flame? Next question, an ideal mixture of producer gas contains producer gas. All these producer gas, coal gas, what they are talking of. Producer gas contains, what it contains, producer gas?
CO plus N2.
How much? CO plus N2. There are two CO plus N2.
Yes, sir.
Which is the correct answer? See, such questions are coming now, which you have not been doing. Anything can be asked. The CO is less than N2 is more. One can obtain silica garden. What is silica garden? Silica garden. What they make, sometimes students make some model in chemistry lab, some highly colored type of. They
It should be
make a
this.
garden of silica.
It should be B option.
Crystals of color cations are added to strong solution of sodium silicate. What it looks like, that different color shapes, they look like garden. Silicon tetrafluoride, no. Silicon salts are grown in garden, all this, only this. Next question, silicon is an important constituent of.
And comes close.
Where do we find silicon?
In rocks. D.
Rocks. Chlorophyll, no. Elements of group 14. Elements of group 14 will form which ions or which oxidation states?
It will exhibit +4 and +2.
We know that group 14. +4 and +2 as you go down. What is that factor known as?
Inert pair effect.
Inert pair effect. Few questions are asked on this many times. Form this ion, this exhibit D. Okay. D is the correct answer. Next question, what is the number of free electrons present? What is the number of free electrons present on each carbon atom in graphite?
There are free electrons present. One free electron, B.
Okay. We know sp2 hybridization, one electron is left unused on each carbon. A dry ice piece is composed of dry ice piece is composed of dry piece of ice
Solid CO2.
that you already know so well. Dry ice. Next question, which one of the following is used as an acid flux in metallurgy? Acid flux. What is the flux? What is flux? What it is used for?
So it will be SiO2, A.
What is the purpose of this flux? What the flux does? You know what is flux? Now the simple question we are asking.
It will help to remove the impurities in the form of slag.
If there are impurities, where it is used, SiO2 is used as a flux, in which case you have learnt it. Which impurity is that? It will slag off the impurities. This is acidic. Then if I have what will happen? If you have an oxide of iron, what it will form? So what it will be used to remove certain impurities in certain extraction processes, we are using it. Next question, in the laboratory burners, in the laboratory burner we use burner, coal gas, oil gas, gobar gas, producer gas.
We use oil gas in laboratory
Oil
burners.
gas. Tungsten carbide is an example of tungsten carbide.
Sir, B, interstitial solid.
What are interstitial solids? Where we have studied that? Interstitial solids. Where did you study all that?
In solid state.
What are interstitial solids?
These are formed when atoms of small elements occupy the spaces between the larger atoms.
Larger atom. So which is a smaller atom here?
Carbon.
There are interstitial sites when these are formed. There they sit inside them. Next question. Silicones is important. Silicones are important compounds. Let me tell you, silicones. So you should know what are silicones, structure, and where they are used. What is the use of silicones? Properties of silicones. There are silicates, silicons, all these, they are important compounds. What are they used for?
Sir, all of these.
Silicons are water repelling in nature, correct. They have a high dielectric with high thermal stability. That is the main reason they are used at so many places. So all of the silicons have become important for whatever we are having compounds. If their use, their properties are important because they will be put into use. Next question, p-pi multi-bond is seen in p-pi multi-bond. p-pi multi-bond are carbon family, carbon and less in other metals, boron family, and not in carbon. Tin, but not in carbon. Where we see multiple bond, p-pi multiple bond, p-pi multiple bond. You know, it is important. It p-pi multiple bond formation we have, where it will be formed.
Is seen in all carbon family compounds, carbon and less in other boron family and not in carbon. It should be B, carbon and less in other metals.
Carbon we know when, but when carbon form compounds you have seen. All carbon family, no. All carbon family does not form. Okay. Next question. Which of the following pair liberate gas when they react with each other? Magnesium B23, MgCO2, fused NaOH carbon, SiO2 Na. This answer is C. You can check.
C, it should be NaOH and carbon.
Next
Fused
question.
NaOH.
Coal gas is a mixture of. Coal gas is a mixture of.
H2, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons, CO, CO2. It should be hydrogen.
So many times they are asking questions on mixtures of this actually is A,
H2 saturation.
which does not exist. 69. Next question, which does not exist. Which does not exist.
Which does not exist. SiCl6. SiCl2 minus Cc. CCl6 will not exist.
You know, carbon has only 2 s2p orbitals. It cannot have 6. SiO2 reacted with sodium carbonate. What is the gas liberated?
CO2 gas will be liberated.
Sodium carbonate. SiO2. What type of substance is SiO2? It is an acid.
Yes, sir.
Where is it acid?
SiO2 will react with sodium carbonate to give CO2 gas.
How? This is not HCl or anything like that. That's why they have given. Okay, check this out. The reaction. What is the reaction of SiO2 with Na2CO3? Check this. We'll continue more about it next time. We will discuss. You will have to study more and more. You can see that different type of questions can be asked, which you have not studied in 12th class. So there will be questions of higher depth. Okay, then I will see you in the next class.
Okay, thank you, sir.